Preparation. Start by preparing a Windows server that meets all the required prerequisites, divided into 4 main areas. First, verify the server requirements. Make sure your operating system version, RAM, hard disk space, and permissions on the connector machine comply with CyberArk specifications. Next, review the requirements for registering the identity connector. The CyberArk Cloud Directory user performing the installation must have the Register and Administer connector's administrative rights. Ensure you have the installer username and password ready. For Active Directory integration, the server should be domain joined and have the appropriate Windows permissions assigned. Finally, configure your network and firewall settings to meet CyberArk's requirements. Depending on your environment, this might include dynamic or static configuration, and in some cases, private WAN setup. For detailed information on these prerequisites, please refer to CyberArk's official documentation.